Assalamu alaikum students, October 17, 42, we're in question number 9. Topic is O-levels functions. I'm going to discuss with you. And we have given three functions here, you can see clearly. Okay. And what is our first question we have? Our first question is we have here part number 1, f of minus 1. We have a question, right? So let's see how we can do this question. First of all, what to do? Copy this function as it is here. So let's see how we can copy this and then continue. Very easy way. F of x is equals to 1 minus 2x. And what is best technique? How many x's you have? Leave empty spaces like this. Because my target, if we compare this with this, you can realize here that in the place of this bracket, he is going to put minus 1. So not only here, even here as well. So let's see. I keep the values. I keep minus 1 here and minus 1 here. So let's see then what happens. F of minus 1 is equals to 1, and this minus into minus give you plus, and I get a plus. 2 ones are 2, and ultimate answer is coming 3. So f of minus 1 is equals to 3. This is my first part. So let's see question in part B. So what's the question we have? 2 times 2 function of f is equal to g of x. So way number 1 is what? How to start? 2 times 2 function of f of x. I will keep a bracket for it. And here g. So f of x, this is called function name, okay? And this is called function value. So function value will go here, okay? F of x value. So I'm going to copy here 1 minus 2x. And g of x value is this. So I'm going to copy there. X plus 4. Now this 2 multiplying with both, 2 ones are 2. And I got 2, and 2 2s are 4, and minus 4x I'm having here, and equals to x plus 4. And now my target is to get x. So bring x on the left hand side. I have minus 4x already here, and minus x, and this x I'm bringing here, and this 2 I'm bringing on the other end. So very clear idea. So after this, we got here negative 5x, and we got here 2. And this minus 5 is multiplying with x. So you know multiply reverse is what? Division. So 2 over minus 5. And for your knowledge, if you keep this minus sign in the middle, even no trouble at all. And I tell you, you write down like for example 2 by minus 5 down, or minus up, or minus in the middle, all have same answer. So I hope so. It is a very clear, and we have done first A and B part, and let's go for C part. And how to do C part? So C part we have here, put function of g in f. So we have to put function g in f. So first of all, I will have to put full function g in f. So first of all, I will copy function of f. And what function of f? This whole thing comes down. So I'm copying function of f. So 1 minus 2x. And what I will do, how many x's we have? I will leave empty spaces. Okay. So when I leave empty spaces, then I can replace function name I will replace in the left side, and function value I will replace right hand side. So this is a plan behind it. So let's see how we can achieve this plan. So function name I'm writing left hand side. So g of x is coming here, and its value is x plus 4 comes here. Now I got a f g of x is equals to 1 minus, this 2 is going to multiply with the x, So 2 times 2x give you 2x, but make sure outside is a minus sign, and actually it's going on behind like this. Let me tell you, x plus 4. What is sign beside of x? You don't know. When you don't know, always plus sign. So negative into positive give you negative, and 2 times 2x 2x. And negative into positive give you negative, and 2 fours are 8. So this is the whole story we have here. And last step I'm going to write of this part. So we have two numbers. So you know 1 minus 8, okay, and becomes minus 2x and minus 7. So this is my answer, very clear. And let's go after this part number D. And what is D part? You can see here h of 2 is a very clear sense. Step by step we can do it. So first of all, put 2 in h. Because I put 2 in h, so I have to copy what? Copy h first of all. So my habit, I always first copy the function. You can skip it, no problem, but it's a better planning. Okay, here I empty space, left hand side, empty space, right hand side in the place of x. I'm going to put this 2 here and here. So I'm putting 2 in both places. After this, what is the plan? It's a clear sense. H of 2 is equals to what? 2 square plus 1 give you 5. 4 plus 1 will give you 5. So I'm writing here the word again. Why that word again? Because I'm doing similar process again next time. And how to plan? First I put this 2 in h, and I put this full value in other h. So it means first of all I will copy h. So I'm writing copy h first of all. So h of x I'm copying here, which is equals to what? X square plus 1. Again, as usual, I leave empty space left side and empty space right side. Okay, so now what is the plan? This function name I will copy here. This function value I'm copying here. The way I'm going to do now, you can see. So I'm going to do this process. So h of 2 I'm copying left side, and 5 I'm copying right side. So let's proceed. h of 2 is equals to 5 squared 25 plus 1 will give you 26, and this is our answer. So let me write it, 26. Okay, so 26 is my answer. Let's go the next part, E. And what is E? H inverse. So it means the inverse of this function I need to find. So step number 1, I will copy function of fx as it is. After copying function, step number 2, you have to remove function name and write y here. Only letter y, always. Okay, now try to make x subject. If I bring this 2x here and y on other end, this is a better approach. Otherwise, we have another way also. And that another way is what? Bring one other side and 2 divide. But I think that's the better approach, because my ultimate target to my x subject, this 2 multiplying with x. So if I bring other side, it will divide. Now I'm going to interchange. In interchanging means x become y and y becomes x. You can see this x turned to be y, and this y turned to be x. I think very clear plan. Now this is my final answer. Remove y and write f inverse. So this is my answer. And let's go for the last part of question. That is little bit complicated, but not very hard, okay? But not impossible to do it. So last part, f is here. This is a plan, f part. You can see here we have to find p and q, and we have given this length. What is the plan of action? Put function of f in g, and then after full answer put in h, step by step. So first of all, because I put f in g, So I'm planning to first, because f and g, so I will copy g. So let's start. So Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. G of x I'm copying, and g of x function is x plus 4. So how many x's I have empty spaces? So I'm going to replace f. And what is f? So function name will come here and function value will come here. So very clear plan, and let's see how we can fulfill it. Now I can complete it. Okay, so g f of x is equals to 1 minus 2x plus 4, and 4 and plus 1 give you 5 minus 2x. So this is my first part. Half question is over, and I write the word here again because I have to do same process once again. So let's see what happens. Because my plan is to put the both functions combined in h, so I'll copy h first. Where is h? This function I'm copying here. After copying this function, what is process? How many x's I have? I will leave empty spaces not on one end, on both ends. And what is next way? This is function name, I will copy here. This is a function value, I'll copy here. So let's try to solve it. How we can do this one, replacement. So g of f of x here, and 5 minus 2x comes here. Now I have to simplify, that's it, and I'm going to finish my question. Here I have to use square identity. Okay, I'm going to use first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. And you know this 1 is also there, so this plus 1 I'm copying outside, because it's outside we have to copy. Okay, after this, let me write again. So 1 outside. Now I can replace the values. You know 5 comes here, 5 comes here, and the 2x come in last two positions. That's it. And I'm going to finish my question. 5 square is 25. Don't say 10. 5 square means 5 multiplied 2 times. So 5 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10, and 10 2s are 20. So I got 20x. This square goes on 2 also, and 5 and x as well. So 2 square give you 4 and x square. In the end, I'm writing in order. First I'm writing x square term. I have copied. Now I'm copying x term, which is here. I'm copying. Then this 25 plus 1 give you 26, and that's it. Now I use a method of comparing both sides. So what is x square coefficient? 4. And what x square coefficient? 4. So they are equal to each other. Leave it. X coefficient is minus 20. X coefficient is p. So we can say that p is equals to minus 20. This constant is 26. Here constant is q. So we got q is equals to 26. And that's it. And question is fully finished.